First drive in the Hellcat 2.0 Hellcat Redeye with the drag radio set up illegally, I must add. Listen, before we get to this video, hit a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on post notifications, watch this video from beginning to end, and don't skip no ads. Let's get it, let's go.
Previously on Tall Guy Car Reviews.
Right there, yeah, somebody called Smokey the Bear. Still smoking, man. Put your swisher on that joint, light it up and take that shit home with you, man.
Police right there.
Police where?
Right there.
Oh shit, here we go. They can be on bullshit even if it's your business type?
Not really. It's private property.
Oh yeah, he going all the way around there. He see the smoke. See, yeah, close the gate. Smart fellas. Smart man. Smart man. Y'all caught it right here, man. G4 classified live and in the flesh. Look at the smoke and the lights, y'all. That's crazy. I wonder if he's gonna try to bend back around. I don't think so. Look at that. Looking like Darth Vader, man. That thing look crazy. He still got the smoke coming out from the back. Damn, that shit is still smoking. That's still smoking. See, it's still, as you can see, it's still big smoke in this joint right now. Let's pull off. Hopefully they don't run no police, because y'all see the setup is big, illegal on the road. We got Sway Money right there following behind us in the Nissan Titan. And all right, fellas, appreciate you, champ.
Have a good one.
You as well, brother. And we're gonna wait for those to recalibrate like 15 minutes into the drive. But yeah, let's pull off and oh shit. Damn. I scraped the shit out of it. Did I break anything? I forgot that shit was lowered in the front now.
Look good over here.
You sure?
Yeah.
Damn, that motherfucker hit hard, didn't it?
Yeah.
Sheesh. That motherfucker lowered in the front. All right, let's get it. First drive with the drag radio setup. Damn, like I said, click that bell, turn on post notifications, subscribe. Don't skip no ads from this video from beginning to end. And let's get it, man. Hopefully I don't fuck up no shit when they're driving like this. Let's get it, let's go. So I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This feels crazy driving it. And I didn't notice and account for how much the vehicle was gonna lower. So when it's scraped like that hard and then I'm driving, it feels like it's kind of rubbing on the top, or either I knocked something loose on the bottom and it's kind of rubbing on the bottom where it's like, you know, usually a skid plate would be on the truck, but like maybe under that front bumper I didn't knock something loose, or I knocked a wheel liner loose or something. I don't know. We're about to see, but Sway's behind me. We're on half a tank right now, so we have to find a gas station where we can fill up before we get to Irwindale, because that's the drag strip we're going to. Irwindale is past 7 o'clock right now, I think, give or take. And yeah, this is about to be crazy. But this is the first drive with the drag setup, and I'm not gonna lie, it really don't feel too crazy. It don't feel like illegal, even though type snitching on myself. It wouldn't be the first time, but like, it doesn't feel like bad, if that makes sense, even though it's skinny tires. But I wouldn't push it. I'm only currently going right now 35 miles an hour, and that's well below the speed limit, type same or similar. I'm gonna find the speed limit and tell you, but I can imagine on the highway I wouldn't want to push it too much, but we about to find out. I still don't see no speed limit yet, but I can hear the burnt rubber coming off, shaking off my tires in the back, or it's rubbing up on something back there. But it ain't the tires, I know that for sure, because they fit them perfectly and everything like that. But we're pulling up to a light right now. I know the quality's a little bad because it's nighttime, but they only do this drag strip stuff once a week. So every Thursday, so I had to do it right now because today is Thursday. Doesn't matter when you get this video. So I had to do it while I could do it, when I could do it. And like I said, we got Sway behind me right there. So without further ado, let's get to it and let's go. But watch, it don't, like, I'm not gonna take off obviously, but it drives cool. Like, it ain't nothing crazy. You wouldn't think the tires this big on there though in the front. You definitely wouldn't. I don't see like a Jurassic difference, but then again, I'm not turning or anything like that. I gotta imagine that's where it's probably the most Jurassic difference is when you're turning. See, I'm going around a slight turn right now. It don't feel too crazy, honestly. I just want to tell y'all that, and the speed limit was 35, so I was going the speed limit, and it still felt cool. I'm pretty sure the super high speed limit is probably when it gets a little nauseous. Look at Sway Money in the beefy Brolicky truck, man. You acting too dumb. That joint got a little get up though, don't it? Yeah. Go ahead, take off. Let's see. He's supposed to be following behind me, shit, so we don't get in trouble. But that joint do got some get up, y'all. If y'all watched in the last video, then y'all seen it. But make sure y'all watch it if you haven't already. But I'm pretty sure that joint's the Sand Dune Monster too.
I'm not gonna lie, like with this truck, like it makes you drive home.
Okay. 0 to 60, 2.3 gigahertz, man. That's too crazy. I'm only going 35 miles an hour. Well, speed limit's 40, so. All right, so as y'all can see, we had to stop and get gas. Slay right there still acting dumb, revving it up. But yeah, we had to stop and get some E85 right here because we are currently on like half a tank, a little less. So let's go ahead and feed the beast. Now let's go. Look at this joint. Them joints like crazy, don't they? Look at all them rocks. Here's one thing I'll say about E85. It was only like 30 bucks to fill this joint up from a little less below half a tank. You see this angle right here? Gotta go at a sharp. Let's see. Hey, no rubbing this time, y'all. So we're good to go. We gotta make sure, you know, oncoming traffic coming. These skinny tires, it don't feel bad. I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I know they, like I'm gonna keep saying it, illegally street type, whatever. Y'all know what the hell I'm trying to say. But it don't feel bad driving it on the street, to keep it real with you. I think it might just be a regulation thing, but if you just drive calm, you're honestly good. I wouldn't recommend it or tell anybody to do it. I'm not trying to be a bad influence to nobody, and I ain't trying to spread the wrong message, but I feel like safe, I'm gonna be honest. So I know this video's a little chopped and screwed because we was just at the gas station, but now we're at the train tracks just sitting here. But we literally had to get on the freeway to come back around to get to Irwindale after having to stop to get E85. And long story short, I went up to about 55 miles an hour, and I still felt really calm. I mean, I got my seatbelt on now and everything, but yeah, I felt really calm, still felt really safe. I think it's just probably not bent for like super quick movements. Obviously, these tires have to be good for straight line speed up to 100, 200 miles an hour, whatever it is that you can go in the maximum in the drag strip. But on the freeway is probably where it's like bumps and not a prep surface and not around turns and different things like that, because then it's probably not as good. But and I don't think you should recommend it, or I wouldn't recommend it to anybody, but I would never know if I didn't try it. So I tried it, and hey, didn't feel too shabby. But as y'all can see, like I told y'all before, this video is chopped and screwed. We are pulling up to Irwindale right now, and but the race is joint, man. So make sure that y'all watch the next video from beginning to end all the way through. And if you like this video, give it a fat ass thumbs up, because I definitely risked it all right there for y'all to give y'all this top level legendary content. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully this wind noise ain't getting too crazy. And that's how you know I'm going slow down, when I let that car right there get in front of me. But the thing is I also wanted to give y'all an understanding how that SRT look at nighttime. I used to always, you know, look at like Hellcat videos before I had a Hellcat, like how I drive at night, how I look. You know, I used to always envision and dream about myself, like being behind the wheel and to be in my car and everything like that. So, and y'all can see right now I am currently in auto mode. But yeah, we are here right now. Y'all see? Everything going on, pumping and jumping, big smoke up in the air and everything like that. So that is it. That is all. So listen, y'all, as y'all can see, we are right next to the and we are waiting for Sway to come back out because he went to go get a jacket. I had to pay $110 for a jacket and $20 for a helmet. I said, damn it. I thought I had, because Sacco gave me a helmet there because he said they might require you to have a helmet. So I asked him to put it in the car, and then we must have forgot to put it in the car. And then we got here, then Sway's like, man, the helmet ain't in the car, and we ain't got no jacket. And I'm gonna tell y'all something, when Sway comes to this drag show, right, he low-key be getting irritated because he's just so ready to have fun. He be irritated because they make you go through a whole process, and then, you know me, I'm gonna talk to all my people and all that. So Sway be like, man, hey man, we gotta do the racing. Sway's a man of very few words. So, you know, you gotta watch Sway's temperature when you come around here, man. But Yeah, long story short, I lost my train of thought, but yeah. So we had to get the jacket and the helmet, so we're waiting for Sway to come back out. I'm hearing every car just racing by. Not gonna lie, this feels crazy. Like, I've never done that before like this in my life, so this is gonna be nuts to experience, to be in, to see, to even watch back this video footage with y'all and watch it myself. Like, I text my wife, Love it Slim, go subscribe to our YouTube channel. But I text her, I said, baby, this is crazy. This is gonna be dope as fuck. And yeah, I'm ready, man. I've never done it before. Never tried to do it before, other than that most previous time. And then we got up out of the drag strip, and they kicked us up type low key. I had Sway put that up right there. Y'all go watch it. That's already. They're burning up the tires from what it sounds like right now, right before they take off. I'm gonna try to get out and see real quick, but it's gonna be legendary, man. Just wait for Sway to get back, and I'll see you in a minute, baby.
751 through 820, 94 to 86. BMW sedan here in the right lane. Challenger in the burger lane. Original Challenger came out 1970. Only lasted until 1975 in miles an hour. Mustang gonna take on that rapid red pickup truck over the burger lane.
So we got some real cool people right here. Say your name, man.
Buddha, man. White low cat.
Okay, and you say your name?
Ashley.
Okay, y'all rockin' full blown, right?
All day,
Yes.
every day.
Shout out to my dog Alex, man.
He knows who I am.
Oh yeah, and no doubt about it, brother. He said he getting the same setup that's on my Hellcat Redeye on his Hellcat. So that's legendary. So he's currently lowering down the air pressure. Him and Sway know each other. They go way back. He came over here and told me, "Hey man, you gotta drop the air pressure." Y'all know I don't know
You
what.
at 37, really?
Oh damn! And what am I supposed to be at?
I'm gonna start you at 20. I'm gonna start you at 20.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna start you at 20.
I was at 37. So I was supposed to be below 20.
Sway. Huh? Sway.
Man, I ain't say nothing, brother.
He had 37 on his rear.
And then they gonna air back up before we dip out. Appreciate you, brother.
Oh, we got
Thanks for your help too, man. You wanna shout your Instagram or anything?
White low cat 717.
Lowcat 717. He famous? Y'all both famous. How I get famous like y'all then?
I'm humble.
I need to be famous like y'all. I don't want to be famous.
You're a different type of famous.
Nah, I ain't famous, brother. Appreciate your help though.
Yeah, of course. It's better safe than sorry, you know?
Yeah, my dog Sucko gave me that air compressor thing for the TRX, remember?
Every Ultimo part's got one, so we got some over there.
Oh, okay. Remember that thing though he gave me that you just plug it up and you pull it up? That's what I told him, it's a TRX.
We're gonna get you at 20, see how you feel, and then if you don't hook good, you can get lower than that, but start at 20 first.
Okay, cool. Appreciate it, brother. You about to do all of them though. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. And appreciate you. Slay money with my helmet, brother. I'm a racing motherfucker now. Come on, brother. Hey, no, I'm gonna show you up, brother, on this one. And I my jacket too with the. There ain't no damn race jacket. What the hell did? $110. This should be some swag on it. 40? Oh, I got some change. Oh, rented it. Okay. All right. Appreciate it, brother. Damn, you just gonna give me some cash like that? Well, thank you, brother. How'd you know I need a loan?
I ain't stealing shit, goddamn.
How'd you know I needed a loan, brother? Huh? How'd you know? You just one good ass friend, so you know that?
I needed a loan, some PPP money, some fucking shit.
Don't be fucking with that PPP money. Fuck all that. Hey, brother, unless you a legitimate business, don't be doing it. Don't be doing the finagle, brother.
I got one employee.
Hey.